so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on.
Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. This, my friends, is a 2016 Chevrolet Malibu 1.8 liter hybrid. Super easy car to drive. Incognito. It's got tinted windows, awesome key fob, remote start, trunk open button, door lock unlock, remote or keyless. And it is one heck of a car. Awesome tires. Tires are pretty decent, all 4 corners. You got about, probably 95% tread on all 4. Beautiful black paint, tinted windows all the way around. It's the hybrid, so it's mostly hybrid. It does kick in when you get on the highway. The gas motor kicks in. Phenomenal fuel mileage. You're looking at a commute, this will save you mega bucks. Awesome car. And let's check out the inside and see what we got. Review wise, so check this out. Power windows, locks, cloth interior, beautiful floor mats, Chevrolet rugged all-weather floor mats. I'm not going to hit the button because it's going to kick on my Bluetooth because I have it hooked up. I forgot to shut it off, but I'm going to do it anyways. And anyway, it's got a huge backup camera. Yeah, maybe I'll do it, whatever. I'll just turn my Bluetooth. I can't do that when I'm filming. Hold on. It doesn't let me. Let's try it out. Start button. 117,901. It's got the power gauge thing there. Backup camera. I'll shut it off. So I think I did it. Yep, I made it just in time before my Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth device connected. It barely connected it. Awesome. Just enough to show you guys. You get all your auxiliary power here and stuff like that for your cigarette lighter, and you're charging your iPhones with a nice courtesy light to let you know where you're putting your stuff at. Electric e-brake, manual shift mode, beautiful leather wrap shifter. The dash has some cloth incorporated into the design, and it's nice. I like it just enough, but not too much. Low grade accents with the chrome trim. It's got your battery gauge right here. It tells you you're doing really good, and it tells you you're hammering it, and to get off the damn gas pedal, stop putting your foot through the radiator and lay off the pedal to save some fuel economy. With the prices now, it's probably what you want to do. Got the phone right in there. Hello. You got a spot right here. Let me let the camera adjust. You got a spot right here to put the key fob or your cell phone, wherever you want to put. Spot in here where you want to put whatever. Doesn't matter. And the back seat, same thing. It's just cloth interior with an armrest, and that's it. So if you guys have any questions, here's the VIN number. Check it out. Super nice car. I love it. It's awesome to drive. So if you got any questions, you want to check out the power plant? Sure, no problem. Let's check out the power plant before we go. All the controls on the steering wheel. You got proximity sensors. That's my favorite thing. You can hit it until 3 sections, 3 modes, allows you to get close to a vehicle, and it tells you, hey, warning sign comes up on the dash and it flashes red. You're too close, you're too close. Lane alert, which tells you if you're out of your lane, and it helps you correct it by itself. It's like self-driving car. It's pretty much, that's what it is. Power seats. I love how the Chevrolet symbol is incorporated into the headlight right there. Projector LED lamps, and your accent lights right here. Brand new inspection, oil change and everything directly done at the Radley Chevrolet dealership down the street. And there you have it. So if you guys have any questions, hit me up, 540-898-3025, or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. You'll see the link at the end of this video with the picture of this car. Hope you guys like it. And stay tuned because I'll be doing more crazy stuff with trucks and fast things and, all the mods and cool stuff coming up. So it's been kind of slow. Hope you guys are doing great. See you later.
I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots. Are you coming with me?